I'm so tired, but I just want to see Graham.
The Crackle goes Kiwi?
Oh, I get it!
What?
Because Crackle and in New Zealand people are called Kiwis. So the Crackle goes Kiwi. So Crackle must be New Zealand! I don't know why! He's filming for Lord of the Rings. He's playing the role of...
Gollum.
Easy
Ooh,
peasy.
he's ugly.
Oh my gosh. Neil the eel. So slimy.
Yeah, he makes me feel funny.
I'm a scientist. Colorful vernacular only serves to confuse me.
Same.
Nasty. Does he, like, produce slime through his sweat glands? Ew!
Do you mind if I vent?
He reminds me of the Pigeon Man.
You wouldn't want to be. Oh.
We would need someone on site who really knows their electric.
Oh. Oh.
We'd need a cover story. Gray can't know what he's actually doing. Like you said, Ivy, we put on a show.
I don't have words to describe how illogical any of this is.
All I care about is Graham, and we're getting Graham. That's
Sure,
all I need.
alright, that's fair.
Then why are we flying to Australia?
To wrangle our electrician.
Wrangle our electric.
I'm so excited. Yes!
You're late.
Oh, I know you.
Fashionably, I hope.
You're like 16 months too late. He's been sitting there ever since.
Our lighting technician dropped out, and I'm hoping you can help.
On one condition. You have that cuppa with me afterwards.
This seems a little scummy of Carmen if she's like making up the story, because it's like, oh, you know, I just kind of stood you up, but now that I need you for something, you know, you want to like, you know, hang out with me.
Also, how the heck does lighting a stage experience have anything to do with turning off high voltage electricity grids for a top secret laboratory? Like, those skills don't seem related at all. I've done stage lighting.
This is Swan Lake.
This
Was
doesn't...
electrified.
Shutting down Bellum's surveillance cameras and security systems, including the notorious electrical fields.
What's he gonna think he's doing?
Oh.
What are they gonna do? Like, insert a USB stick into the computer and, like, have all the displays be like, oh yeah, I'm totally not a security camera, I'm definitely a stage or something. Literally just use, you know, a timer. I don't...
Hey, shh. It's because Carmen's actually in love with Graham, and she just was looking for an excuse to have to, you know, see him again. So she's like, oh yeah, we totally need an electrician.
As a safety net, Gray
Oh,
will
look
be
how
in
cute he
constant
looks. They
communication.
must have a lot of faith in Graham, because, like, he's thinking it's not a big deal if he messes up the lighting, because, like, you know, it's just a kid theater thing. But if he does and Carmen gets toasted, then that is...
This is a very good point. Graham's stress level's probably like here, and everyone else's is like...
Oh, you might murder Carmen. Oh, they should tell him, hey, if you don't do this right, then Carmen's not going to go on the date with you, because that's true, because she's going to get toasted, so that's his incentive.
They actually... How much preparation do they... You know this?
I'm a ballet dancer, Ethan, come on.
He seems stressed.
He does seem stressed. I'm stressed.
I feel like this guy's gonna die.
I hope so. He's
And the
annoying.
zapping.
Ew, why is he so gross? I hate him. I'm stressed.
Oh.
Graham's like, what the heck is
He's like,
happening?
something is not correct.
Why have I been lighting a pre-recorded performance? Peter?
There's a perfectly logical explanation.
It's not a good one, but there is an explanation.
Right?
Oh, where'd he go?
Oh.
Carmen!
Crackle! Crackle, don't get cracked!
Carmen?
Sandiego!
This is bad.
Oh no. Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen here. Wilhelm scream!
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh, ho, ho, ho. I can't wait for him to save her life when
I
he
know.
remembers.
I'm scared.
You don't run a children's charity.
Nope.
Hang on tight. Don't let go.
Oh.
Alright.
He's like, okay, don't mind if I do.
Cronkey!
Do you trust me?
Aladdin?
Hang on tight, don't let go.
Oh, that was so cute. I'm gonna cry.
Lights out, Auckland.
Get wrecked, Bellum. It's like a koala bear. Ouch.
He just scrapes 20 meters on his face.
You are a cheeky one.
And we thankfully managed to pull off our little caper without Vile ever laying eyes on Gray.
Unless they had a camera.
This surveillance was obtained less than an hour ago in Sydney, Australia.
Oh no. Oh. And they know that's the guy who got arrested in Interpol. Oh no.
No! Stop! They touch my boy. I'm gonna throw hands.
If they touch my boy Player, if they touch
my boy Graham, they touch. I don't have any other persons.
If they touch Kyle.
Ow.
Finna smack.
Stockholm, city in Sweden, famous for stocks, homes, and
Minecraft. Nice job.
Genius move. No!
Oh, she gonna smack her face on a stair.
Ouch.
Oh, she gonna die.
How are you not dead?
So you can triangulate my position and arrest me. Yeah, right.
How does she plan to get out of there? She's in the wilderness.
I mean, getting arrested would be better than death.
Yeah, she's gonna die.
Player?
How did that happen?
Wait, your name's Ottoman? You ever get tired of people resting their feet on you?
Oh my gosh.
Like the one that you broke in my room.
You broke it. I just
Made
accentuated
it worse.
the problem.
Oh, that's really bad. It's getting dark and you're gonna freeze to death.
You're gonna get eaten by a polar bear. Ivy Sandiego.
Carmen?
Ooh.
Carmen!
You're a hologram. What do you expect to do? Stay with me, my Carmen. You don't need to die. Good job. You are fantastic at everything. It looks like a Listerine
It does.
strip.
Carmen Sandiego is just that good.
And that's not even her. Can't handle her sidekicks.
She gonna make it?
Of course she is.
No hospital.
I don't like it.
It will be your prime directive to take her down.
All of the faceless students. Yikers.
What?
Charter a plane. I'm leaving now.
They just left her on that couch for weeks. She's probably got hecka bed sores. Oh, I forgot about it.
Poor guy.
Roll of red yarn.
Make it two. And some push pins.
What is he doing?
Red yarn and push pins.
Oh, where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
And then it saws through his little belt thing and he falls and dies.
Not to mention your best hope of succeeding Shadow-san as the 5th member of our esteemed faculty.
I don't understand why, like, they have one chance to complete a mission in order to be on the faculty.
I don't know. I mean, even the people on the faculty have failed numerous times.
Yeah.
Each of them have sent
like,
out multiple quests that keep getting ransacked.
Wouldn't you want to choose the person who's, like, just the most qualified? Because what if something wrong happened with all the best people and then the worst person ever just happened to Rube Goldberg machine his way into making something work and then, like, guess we gotta hire this dude.
Yeah, Acme just happens to take out Carmen and
Exactly.
Otter Man or whatever.
Yeah, and then they're like, oh, guess you're the next dude, and then he's terrible at everything and they regret their decisions. It just seems like a bad way of doing things.
Well, well.
Get out!
What are you doing out there?
Can you just
walking around?
Not be annoying for once in your life, Tigress?
Oh my. Someone's off their game.
She almost died. Can you shush?
What would Julia think?
That you're stupid?
A hat? In a corner grocery?
A fedora, actually.
But this is the cheese aisle.
He's
on drugs.
What the heck is he doing? Is he going to Vile Island alone?
I don't know what's happening.
Tickets, please.
Bruh, I don't need a ticket.
Uh-oh.
Ah! That's not supposed to happen.
Oh, that's a pin.
You don't want to sleep through Mama Bear's visit now, do you?
Bad news bears.
World of hurt. It's a coming.
Can you, like, back up? Like, that's stressing me out.
We sent Shadow Sand to Buenos Aires, Argentina 20 years ago to steal your daddy's life.
Ah!
Was Shadow Sand only working with them in order to get Acme?
I don't know, I'm so confused. This is scarier than last season.
Is she gonna go off a cliff in a train? What's happening here?
I'll learn what there is to know about my family. All on my own. The only sure way I know.
23andMe.
That would be so funny. This entire show is just a sponsor for 23andMe.
I'll infiltrate the server room and sync you in so you can download the case files. It'll be just like old times.
And Devino is gonna be there at the same time.
Farewell, sweet palace.
And then the entire thing folds up.
Into a little case. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
No.
Oh dear. She's a semi-aquatic egg-laying mammal of action. Doobie-dooba, doobie-doobie-dooba.
No.
Oh, this is so sad.
Is he? Did they not hear? Poor Devino. Oh!
All hail the Fire King!
I didn't know I needed this in my life until now. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my gosh, this poor guy.
How did he catch the mountain on fire?
So, for 20 years, no one ever sailed a boat. No one ever sailed a boat to that island or happened to see an entire high-tech facility or planes and boats going by or anything. But now, smoke. And a captain happens to... How did it take 20 years for some random ship to come by this island?
Your father taught Stealth 101 at Vile Academy during my time there.
Ooh, 12 station.
Your father had been preparing to leave Vile. And no one ever leaves Vile.
Uh-oh.
Yet an unexpected obstacle dropped into my path.
Oh, baby.
And asked you to play a game. See how long you could remain quiet.
This is depressing.
Your father's life was not robbed by Vile, but by a young agent. I never saw her again. Not until recently.
That's a twos.
But what do we feed it?
Rice. Fake rice.
Hello. I have come to confront. Oh.
I know you like cats. Does it have a name?
Commander.
Cute.
Is she gonna go murder it?
Of your remarkable instincts regarding one Carmen Sandiego.
It's a virus that just blows up her computer.
Hello, dead body. May I look at you?
Carmen Sandiego has crossed a line, and I am dedicating Acme to taking her down. Think you can bring the heat, Agent Devino?
Why? My brain hurts so bad.
Oh, my brain hurts. Also, why are they hiring the most incompetent agent again?
Oh my gosh, I don't know who to believe, who to trust. I don't know what anything is.
I just want to sleep and die and not exist anymore.
That was a good twist that Acme Lady was the one who did the kill, kill, kill. I was like, oh, that's a shook. What am I talking about? I don't know.
This was a good season.
From what I can tell, in my very delirious mind, I did like this season, I think. But keep in mind that we are not giving actually good, thought-out reviews. These are just our first impressions. So from just now watching it, I liked it. I thought it was good.
Yeah, every episode related to the main overarching plot. It was really like well thought out and neat and stuff, and lots of good stuff. I liked it.
It just hurts my brain thinking about all the back and
I'm
forth
really tired.
of like, oh, trust Acme. Oh no, trust Shadow-san. Oh wait, don't trust Shadow. Oh wait, do. Oh wait, don't. Oh wait, do. And I'm just like, what?
I mean, they're spies. That's how spy stuff is.
It's very
There's like
confusing.
quadruple agents, amnesia, and oh my goodness, I don't even know.
Quadruple agents.
I think the color green is actually number 9. I think light particles are actually made of toothbrushes.
I already forgot everything that happened in this
I don't know what's going on. Thanks for watching. Sorry we were dying.
Yeah.
If there's
it's
art,
3:30 a.m.
we'll put it on that side this time, and patrons will be on that side.
Just like how this did a bamboozle at the end, how I did a plot twist.
Oh,
and it's
yeah.
like, Acme ladies a poo. Oh, and the whole Carmen being like, I have a mom out there somewhere. Reminds me of like Zuko, how at the end of Avatar he's like, my mother, and Ozai's all like, free.
Thanks all for watching. God bless. And we're gonna die now.
Yep.
See ya.